Hello.
Hey, girlfriend.
What's up?
Not much.
Girl.
Hey, look, there's a camera right there.
Oh my god, a camera. Does my hair look okay?
No, it looks like a rag.
Excuse me?
Looks like a rat threw up all over your face.
Yeah, it's not saying much coming from you. I mean, you're the rat here.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yeah, I did.
You better not.
I just did.
Feel the fury of my booty.
Oh!
Oh!
You just raped yourself in front of the TV. I feel bad for the camera because you just mooned yourself to a camera.
You think I care? Honestly.
You should, but you have no life, so it's not even worth caring.
I hate you. I hate your guts. And I hate your guts too, so don't forget it. Okay?
Well, the camera loves me.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you are not allowed to view this because the scene is not pretty.
Wait.
Okay, it's back to normal.
Oh no, my pants are falling down.
Look what you've done to my hair.
Ha ha ha.
That's what you get.
That's what you get when you let your heart win.
Did you let your heart break, stupid?
Oh yeah, I feel the fury in my leg.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Why don't we take a look at what I did to your leg?
What?
Your leg, stupid.
Okay. Pause. Wait, this fight is now going to be over. Okay, truce.
Yes.
Why
I like my ass on your head.
Oh wait.
Granny slam. Granny's down.
Wait, turn the camera. You hear that, all those suckers out there? I hate you.
Well, I love you. Ready? Show kisses.
Okay, now cat fight.
Listen, Jennifer, it's time to show the world what I got to do to your foot because you were so stupid.
Okay, time out.
See, this is what happens when you mess up my hair and I get pissed off. I mean, like, look what you did to my hair. See, it's like all messed up and all. See, look at that little piece. It's like all out. And this piece here. So, you know what? I'm just going to redo her hair. Just to like get in front of the camera, even though she naturally does. Except just when some stupid other dolls mess it up. Just, you know, Jennifer. Stupid.
Jennifer's my name.
Yeah, I know.
Curse you.
Curse you. Beep, 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 beep. I'm sorry, these words were edited out because they were not very appropriate for the internet. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, they're done cursing now. Okay. Jennifer, you beep, beep, beep. Jennifer, I'm so sick of your beeping.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Look what you did to my foot. I hate you. Look what she did to my foot. Wait. Look what she did. She broke my foot. My poor innocent foot.
It's not really that innocent when it's on you.
What? What did she say? Tell me right now. Right this second, people.
What did she say?
What did
Tell
she
me right now.
say?
Right this second, people. What did she say?
What did she say? Hey, look, I'm on TV. Hi.
sorry I had to look at ugly for the past few minutes. I was just fixing my hair because of a rat.
You know, I have another foot.
You know, I have 2 feet that aren't actually damaged. Look what you did! This scene is rated PG-13. This scene is rated PG-13. Please do not watch. This is not appropriate for 5-year-olds.
Okay. Now your hair's all messed up.
There. You look wonderful.
I know I do. I'm beautiful no matter what you say.
I was lying, stupid.
I'm beautiful no matter what they say.
Yeah,
Words
exactly.
can't bring me down. So as you can see, my despite friend Julie, I once BFF, and now ECP.
Okay, so
Evil camp person. to be exact.
So now, comment on. No, listen. So comments. Okay, so comment on.
Make sure you comment and subscribe to our channel, or else I'm gonna eat your brains.
And comment on the channel and see who you think is better, me or it.
Literally,
It.
it's right here on it.
Bye.